So these motherfuckers installing 5G everywhere, huh, man? I just watched Woodward, and I knew something was going on. I just watched this other video, the A&Q joint in the high school up the street. I seen police and vans for like the last 2 weeks. Don't know what the fuck they doing. They installing 5G in the schools, boy. That shit crazy. Every time I go to one certain area down the road, my stomach start hurting. I start feeling sick. Yeah, I get back out here to where I'm out by nothing for real and feel better. Takes a couple hours to recuperate, but I be feeling better. Man, Wuhan was the first city with that shit too. 5G, the Olympics, Beijing Olympics. Hubei province, the first fully 5G automated, activated. Nanometer waves going through your motherfucking body. Man, I've seen a video where they said that all this shit is to terraform the planet so they can open a portal for the aliens, demons, Terminators, what the fuck ever they gonna have to kill me though. I ain't getting no motherfucking, I don't give a fuck, I ain't getting no mark of no beast, nigga. I don't care. Fuck that. They're not gonna put it under my skin. I probably got it in this phone. My bank card got it. Every card got the chip, so you walk around chipped out anyway, but I'm not putting it under my skin, my nigga. Hope you don't either. I've spoken G about. This shit's called G. That's crazy. I've spoken something called G about. I'm never buying this shit again. This shit probably got 5G in the pack. Mutate your cells, sucks the oxygen out your body, dog. But I'm high than a motherfucker. Give me some more perks, nigga. I'll be alright. They ain't closed the liquor stores. Liquor stores essential. Bitch.